Welcome to Explore Abroad, where we'll turn your travel dreams into real-life journeys. Your trusted guide to visa success and global travels. Do you want to study in Europe, Canada, or even Asia without paying a single cent in tuition? In this video, I'll show you how to get fully funded scholarship in this 2025, covering your tuition fee, living expenses, and even flight tickets. No agent, no hidden costs, just you and the opportunity. First, let me tell you what a fully funded scholarship is. A fully funded scholarship means your tuition is covered 100%, you get monthly allowance, accommodation or housing is provided, and sometimes even your flight tickets and visa costs are included. These scholarships are offered by governments, universities, and international organizations. Now I know the next thing going through your mind right now is who can actually apply for this fully funded scholarship. Well, anyone with these following qualifications can apply. 1. Someone with a good academic performance. 2. A clear motivation to study abroad. 3. Basic English skills like IELTS or TOEFL, if required, may be required. And you don't even need to be a genius before you can apply, because many programs are open to average students too. Let me also give you the top scholarships to apply for in this year 2025. 1. DAAD scholarship. Germany. It covers master's and PhD programs and monthly allowance, tuition, and travel insurance. You can apply through www.daad.de. Number 2, Chevening Scholarship UK. It's a fully funded one-year master degree open for over 160 countries. You can apply via chevening.org. Chevening, chevening.org. And number 3, Erasmus Mundus Europe. It's a joint program across several European countries that covers tuition, travel, and monthly allowance. You can search programs at eacea.ec.europa.eu. And number 4 is MEXT scholarship, MEXT scholarship, Japan, offered by Japanese government. It covers bachelor's, master's, and PhD. You can go to Japanese embassy in your country for application. And number 5 is CSC scholarship, China. It's offered by the Chinese government. It's a fully funded scholarship for undergraduate, masters, and even PhD. You can apply via campuschina.org. And number 6, Vania Graduate Scholarship, Canada. This is for PhD students, and it is valued at $50,000 per year. You can apply through any Canadian universities. Now let me give you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for these scholarships. Step 1, choose your program and university, a choice of university. Step 2, check if they offer scholarship for your country. Step 3, prepare documents like international passport, transcript, motivation letter, and reference letters. And step 4, apply before the deadline, usually around October to February. And step 5, if shortlisted, attend interview if interview is required. And step 6, get your admission plus scholarship letter and start your visa application. Okay, let me give you a professional tip like I always do. 1, always write a strong motivation letter explaining why you deserve the scholarship. 2, apply early because the earlier the better. And 3, use official website and never pay any agent to apply for you. Do not let money stop your dream of studying abroad. These scholarships are real and many students like you are already benefiting from them. Subscribe to Explore Abroad for more updates on study visas, travel hacks, and scholarship guides. Visa tips, travel hacks, no stress. See you in the next video.